Top 5 Nighttime Habits Diabetics Must Know. Did you know that what you do before bed could make or break your blood sugar levels overnight? Most people get this wrong and it's silently wreaking havoc on their health. Don't let that be you. Managing diabetes isn't just about what you eat or how active you are during the day. What happens while you sleep and what you do right before can have a massive impact on your blood sugar. If you're waking up to numbers that are too high or too low, chances are your nighttime routine needs a serious upgrade. In this video we're diving into the top 5 nighttime habits every diabetic needs to know to keep their blood sugar stable and their mornings stress-free. Let's get started. 1. Choose the right evening snack. If you often find yourself feeling hungry before bedtime, choosing the right snack isn't just about curbing hunger, it's about setting the stage for stable blood sugar levels throughout the night. For people with diabetes, this can be a game changer. Overnight your body is still working, processing glucose and maintaining balance. A carefully chosen snack can help smooth out the process, minimizing sharp blood sugar spikes or dips that could disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling off the next morning. The key is to focus on snacks that are low in carbohydrates but rich in protein, fiber or healthy fats. These nutrients play a vital role in stabilizing glucose levels. Protein slows digestion, ensuring that sugar is released into your bloodstream gradually. Fiber adds bulk, helping you feel full longer, while healthy fats delay glucose absorption, preventing rapid spikes. For instance, a small handful of mixed nuts like almonds or walnuts provides a trifecta of protein, fiber and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to keep your blood sugar steady and hunger at bay. Similarly, a serving of Greek yogurt with no added sugar offers protein to sustain you through the night, and it's easy to pair with a few fresh beans for added fiber. If you're in the mood for something crunchy, carrot sticks with a small amount of hummus are a perfect choice, low in carbs packed with fiber and satisfying. On the other hand, snacks high in refined carbohydrates or sugar like cookies or white bread should be avoided. They might seem like a quick fix, but they cause blood sugar to spike and then crash, potentially leaving you waking up with unstable levels or feeling sluggish. Swapping these for healthier alternatives such as a hard-boiled egg or a piece of whole grain toast with avocado can make all the difference. Timing matters too. Aim to eat your snack about 1 to 2 hours before bed. This gives your body enough time to digest and absorb nutrients without overwhelming your system right before sleep. And remember, portion control is key. Even healthy snacks can cause issues if eaten in excess, so keep portions moderate to support a stable glucose response. When you choose the right snacks and time them well, you're not just helping your blood sugar, you're setting yourself up for better energy, improved health, and a good night's rest. It's one simple habit that can make a big difference. To establish a consistent sleep schedule. Creating a consistent sleep schedule is one of the most underrated yet powerful habits for managing diabetes. Your body thrives on routine, and going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, can have a tremendous impact on blood sugar control. Regular sleep helps regulate key hormones like insulin and cortisol. When you sleep consistently, your body's insulin sensitivity improves, which means it can use blood sugar more effectively. On the flip side, irregular sleep patterns or insufficient sleep can disrupt this balance. For instance, lack of sleep raises cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can spike blood sugar. It also disrupts appetite regulating hormones, leading to cravings for unhealthy high-carb snacks that worsen blood sugar control. Research has even shown that poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance, a major challenge for diabetics. Adopting a calming bedtime routine helps set the stage for better sleep. Activities like reading, meditating, or gentle stretches signal your body to wind down. Avoid screens or bright lights before bed, since blue light interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Creating an optimal sleep environment is also crucial. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool with a comfortable mattress and pillows. The benefits of deep sleep extend beyond just blood sugar control. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that help regulate fat metabolism and stabilize glucose levels. Better sleep quality can also improve your energy levels, mood, and ability to stick to other healthy habits like regular exercise and mindful eating. By committing to a consistent sleep schedule and improving your nighttime routine, you'll not only enhance your diabetes management but also improve your overall well-being. Start small. Set a bedtime alarm. Create a relaxing pre-sleep ritual and notice how it transforms your nights and your health. 3. Limit screen time before bed. Limiting screen time before bed is a surprisingly powerful habit when it comes to managing diabetes, and it's one that many people overlook. Most of us are glued to our phones, tablets, or computers in the evening, whether we're scrolling through social media, catching up on shows, or reading articles. But what many don't realize is that the blue light emitted by these devices can seriously interfere with sleep quality. Blue light blocks the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. When melatonin levels drop, your body has a harder time recognizing when it's time to wind down, making it difficult to get restful deep sleep. For people with diabetes, this can be particularly problematic because poor sleep disrupts blood sugar regulation. Without proper rest, your insulin sensitivity decreases and you're more likely to experience spikes in blood sugar throughout the night and the following day. To combat this, aim to turn off all screens at least 30 minutes before bedtime. This gives your body the chance to start naturally producing melatonin. If you're used to checking your phone or watching TV until you fall asleep, it can be challenging at first, but the benefits are worth it. Instead of relying on your devices, try replacing screen time with calming activities that signal to your body that it's time to relax. Reading a book, doing some light stretching, or even meditating can help ease you into a peaceful sleep. Another benefit of limiting screen time is that it helps reduce stress. Constant exposure to social media, work emails, or news can leave your mind racing, which is the last thing you want before trying to sleep. By stepping away from your devices, you allow your mind to slow down and focus on more soothing thoughts, which helps prepare your body for the restorative sleep it needs. If you find it hard to cut back on screen time, consider using night mode settings on your devices to reduce blue light or invest in blue light blocking glasses. But even with these tools, nothing beats disconnecting entirely from screens as part of your bedtime routine. Making this simple a change can have a profound impact on both your sleep and your blood sugar control. By allowing your body to rest, you're supporting better diabetes management, reducing stress, and improving your overall health. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. For a glass of water, staying hydrated is important, especially for managing diabetes, but it's essential to be mindful of how much you drink before bed. While it's crucial to maintain adequate hydration throughout the day to support healthy blood sugar levels and overall body function, drinking too much water in the hour before bedtime can disrupt your sleep. This is because it may lead to nighttime bathroom trips, interrupting your rest and making it harder to stay in a deep restorative sleep. Adequate hydration is important for diabetes management because water helps transport nutrients and flush excess sugar out of your bloodstream. If you're dehydrated, your blood sugar levels can rise, leading to discomfort and potential complications. However, drinking large amounts of water right before bed can have the opposite effect. The need to get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom can cause your sleep to become fragmented. In turn, poor sleep can negatively impact blood sugar regulation, creating a cycle of disrupted rest and blood sugar spikes. The key to balancing hydration in sleep is timing. Aim to drink most of your water earlier in the day and limit fluid intake during the hour leading up to bedtime. This ensures you're adequately hydrated without disrupting your sleep. If you find yourself thirsty close to bedtime, consider sipping small amounts of water rather than drinking a large glass. You can also monitor your hydration levels throughout the day, ensuring you're getting enough fluids without overdoing it in the evening. In addition, staying hydrated helps prevent complications like kidney issues and supports your body's overall functions, including digestion and circulation. It's not just about drinking water, it's about drinking at the right times to optimize your health, especially when managing diabetes. By adopting this simple habit of moderating fluid intake in the evening, you can improve your sleep quality and keep your blood sugar level in check. A hydrated body works better, sleeps better, and helps you stay on top of your diabetes management without unnecessary interruptions at night. Monitor blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels before bed is one of the most important habits for managing diabetes. Checking your blood sugar not only gives you insight into how your body is responding to the food, exercise, and medication from that day, but it also allows you to make adjustments before heading to sleep. This small step can make a huge difference in how your body functions overnight, helping you avoid dangerous highs or lows that could disrupt your health or sleep. When your blood sugar levels are too high before bed, it increases the risk of hyperglycemia during the night. Elevated blood sugar levels can cause frequent urination, thirst, and even disrupt your sleep, making it harder for you to rest and recover. On the other hand, if your blood sugar is too low, you may experience symptoms like shakiness, dizziness, or even hypoglycemia, which can be dangerous if you're asleep and unaware of the issue. This is why it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly, and especially before bed. By checking your blood sugar levels, you gain the knowledge needed to adjust your evening habits. If your blood sugar is higher than desired, you can make informed choices about your evening snack or adjust your insulin dosage. Accordingly, if you find that your levels are low, you may need to eat a small healthy snack to help prevent a dangerous drop during the night. It's all about understanding how your body responds and proactively managing it. The goal is to aim for a bedtime blood sugar level that falls within your target range. Doing so can help ensure that your blood sugar remains stable throughout the night, reducing the risk of waking up with high or low levels. If you're unsure about your target range or how to make adjustments, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a diabetes specialist. Did you know that simple nighttime habits can unlock the secret to a restful night's sleep and stable blood sugar levels? These tips can transform your health, ensuring you wake up energized and ready to take on the day. From hydration to stress management, these habits will revolutionize your nightly routine and help you maintain optimal blood sugar control effortlessly. But you know what? Stay tuned until the end of the video to discover all the essential steps. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to balanced mornings. 1. Have a balanced evening meal. A balanced evening meal is essential for stabilizing blood sugar levels while you sleep. Research highlights the importance of meals that include a variety of macronutrients. Combining proteins, healthy fats, and low glycemic index carbohydrates can prevent nighttime glucose spikes and dips. For instance, a dinner of grilled chicken, quinoa, and steamed vegetables offers a well-rounded mix of nutrients, optimizing blood sugar control. It's crucial to avoid high sugar and highly processed foods in the evening, as they can cause rapid spikes followed by crashes in blood sugar levels. Instead, focus on whole foods and pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Incorporating fiber-rich vegetables and lean proteins can further enhance satiety and glycemic control, promoting a stable and restful night. This approach not only helps in managing diabetes but also supports overall health and well-being. To avoid late-night snacking. Late-night snacking can significantly disrupt blood sugar stability during sleep. Eating late at night can impair glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. This happens because the body's metabolic rate slows down at night, making it more challenging to process and utilize glucose effectively. To maintain stable blood sugar levels, it's crucial to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you find yourself feeling hungry late at night, opt for a small balanced snack that includes protein and fiber, such as a handful of nuts or a piece of cheese with a few whole grain crackers. This can help satisfy your hunger without causing significant blood sugar fluctuations. By maintaining a regular eating schedule and avoiding high sugar, high fat foods late at night, you can promote better glucose control and improve overall sleep quality. 3. Take a short post-meal walk. Taking a short post-meal walk can significantly improve overnight blood sugar stability. Light physical activity after meals helps reduce blood glucose levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and promoting glucose uptake by muscles. A 10 to 30-minute walk after dinner aids digestion and prevents post-meal glucose spikes, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels during sleep. Sleep for optimal results. Walk at a moderate pace, covering a comfortable distance without overexertion. This practice not only supports glucose metabolism but also improves sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. By consistently incorporating this habit into your nightly routine, you can help maintain balanced blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for managing diabetes symptoms. Additionally, regular post-meal walks contribute to overall metabolic health, supporting weight management and cardiovascular health. Making this simple yet effective change can lead to long-term benefits for your overall well-being. 4. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Irregular sleep patterns can disrupt circadian rhythms, which regulate insulin production and glucose metabolism. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps synchronize your body's internal clock, enhancing metabolic functions and improving insulin sensitivity. For optimal results, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create